Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to share a Wix website with someone to edit, so you can collaborate with other creators, hand over a project to a client, or allow a partner to manage your software tutorials and market analysis content in 2026. Let's get into it. First, access the Wix dashboard and settings. The first step is moving into the administrative core of your site. In 2026, Wix has streamlined the Settings Hub to make managing your professional studio workspace more intuitive, especially when you need to bring in outside help. Log in to your Wix dashboard. Move your cursor to the left sidebar, scroll all the way down, and click on Settings. Once the settings page loads, you will see various categories for your site's backend. Look for the section labeled Roles and Permissions. Instead of sharing your private login and password, you are accessing a secure portal designed for multi-user collaboration. This keeps your personal account and other projects safe while giving others a candid window into this specific site. Next, enter the Roles and Permissions portal. This is where you manage everyone who has access to your site. It acts as a digital staff directory for your brand. Click on Roles and Permissions to open the management screen. You will see a list of current users. To add someone new, look at the top right corner of the screen. In 2026, it is a professional best practice to see who currently has access before adding more people. This ensures you don't have redundant, amateur quality accounts cluttering your professional dashboard. Next, click the Invite Collaborator Plus icon. Now that you are in the right place, you need to initiate the bridge between your account and your partner's account. Click the blue Invite Collaborator button or the plus icon in the top right corner. You need to define exactly what this person can and cannot touch on your site. Type in their email and then scroll through the available roles. You can choose admin, full access, website designer, can edit the site layout, or content manager, can only update blog posts or products. Click the blue Send Invite button at the bottom of the pop-up. Let your collaborator know to check their email and click Accept Invite. And that's pretty much it. To share your Wix site in 2026, navigate to Settings in the left sidebar and select Roles and Permissions. Click the Invite Collaborator button or the plus icon in the top right corner, enter your partner's email, and assign them a specific role like designer or admin. Finally, hit Send Invite and make sure they accept the email to begin working on your professional site together. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.